Rural communities have been long struggling to have access to quality healthcare services. One such community is Nauxas, an isolated settlement 150 kilometers outside Rehoboth in the Windhoek rural constituency. The lack of transport is one of the main challenges faced by community members who have to travel long distances to access health services. The nearest health facility is in Rehoboth. Antiretroviral treatment patients, as well as others suffering from chronic diseases, are at risk of defaulting on their medications. The community now wants a mobile clinic to ease their medical burden.
These visitors by outreach vehicle are not enough to cater such a big community as they visit only once in a month. Therefore, we are humble requesting from the Ministry of Health and Social Service to build a new mobile clinic. Matter of urgency.
Meanwhile, children are also deprived of basic rights to education. There is no pre-primary or a primary school in the area. The nearest school is at Klein-Oop, a settlement about 100 kilometers away from Nauxas.
After closing down of 3 different schools that was operating in private farms, many of the farm workers' parents has failed to give education to their kids due to transport, economical challenges.
Lack of potable water is also another problem. Community members rely on a solar pump borehole, which is now out of order, leaving them with no choice but to use water from a pond. Penina Ita, the councillor for Windhoek rural constituency, confirmed that their office is aware of the plight of the community, adding that plans are underway to address some of the challenges faced by the residents.
We have already put down the request. We're just going to strengthen it so that they could ensure that they plan it. It is being planned under the, the relevant platform that are there, so that they can be able to plan for the mobile clinic and budget for it, as well as to plan for the education, pre-primary and the primary.
Ita could, however, not divulge much as to when such plans will be implemented. Selima Henok, NBC News, Farm Arab.